Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Mansi representing Doremi. I hope you all have learned the last lesson which I have taught you. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Now today I will be teaching you this song on the keyboard. If you want to learn this song on guitar or on some other instrument, please do comment on my channel. This song is on C scale. We can do it on any other major scales. Like you can do it on E, you can do it on D, but I'll better do it on C. And if your voice is not soothing on C scale, you can go for transpose, or let me know to do which scale you wanted to learn on keyboard. We have to repeat this lesson 4 times to complete the 4 words. So we will be doing this thing from the C scale, that is, you remember the C scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now we will be doing from the note G, from G to the note C. So the song will start from this octave, that is a middle octave G I am using. So the notes will be G, C, 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 D, C, B, A. I'll do it again. G, C, 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 D, C, B, A. Take a gap. Then let's go to the next line. That is, we'll start the next line from the note A. It will be A, D, 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 E, D, C, B, G. So what is the next line? It will be from the note A, D, 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 E, D, C, B, G. So now both lines together. First line, G, C, 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 D, C, B, A. Give a gap. Then let's start from A note. A, D, 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 E, D, C, B, G. Both lines completed. Now let's go to the third line. That is, we wish you a Merry Christmas. So it will start from the note G. We'll go to E. G, E, 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 F, E, D, C, A. So what is the note? G, E, 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 F, E, D, C, A. Now we will be doing the next line. And a Happy New Year. So how it will be? A, G, A, D. The note will be and a happy. A, G, A, D, B, C, B, C. So I'll do this 4 lines together. G, C, 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 D, C, B, A, D, 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 E, D, C, B, G. Now let's go to the next line. G, E, 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 F, E, D, C, A, G, A, D, B, C. So hope this is quite easier for you all. These notes you will be able to follow. Now let's go to the next part. The next part is good tidings we bring to you and your kin. So the notes will be G, C, 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 B. Again G, C, 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 B. Then it will be B, C, B, A, G. Good tidings we bring, G, C, B, C, B, A, G. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Now we'll go to the next line. D, E, D. We wish you. D, E, D, C. Now this G is the higher G. G, C. That means we are using it on the 4th octave. G, we are using the 4th octave G. G, C. A, G, A, D, B, C. I'll do the last line again. D, E, D, C, G, C, A, G, A, D, B, C. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now repeat this whole lesson for 4 times for completing the 4 words. With this, I end up my lessons for today. You learn this song as much as possible and also play the song on keyboard. And of course, Christmas is coming. You can definitely going to send me this song. I will definitely post it on our channel. So, have fun, good day and bye. Enjoy yourself. If you like our videos, don't forget to share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.